Hello, once again, out there, curious fans on YouTube. It is Repeat here, and I have another opening of baseball card packs video for you to go over. I made another big purchase on Whatnot. It came in today from the Hot Corner BK. I'm going to have to link a description to their Whatnot store in my description so you folks can see where I am finding these great cards that I seem to be getting a hold of again on Whatnot. But we have 7 of the Series 1 20 Topps 2025 Major League Baseball cards here to open. And so I will do these 7 in these video, and then at the end of the video I will show you what I will have coming up next in the next video. But we have these 7 to go, and let's get to ripping. I really do appreciate all you folks out there on YouTube who have indeed checked out my first 2 card unpacking videos, which are on my channel, Repeat Again. And I will eventually tell the story of how I got that name one of these days. You know, I'm going to do one pack at a time. Again, remember that I'm kind of new to the YouTube thing, and or at least new to baseball card world, and posting, good videos on YouTube. So some of you like the one pack at a time. Some of you like a whole bunch of packs, to open them all at once and then get to it. So we'll just do it this way. Vincenzo, Seth Brown. Now, I don't know how to look for short prints or something like that. I guess there's a marking or something like that. So if you could comment in the comments about how to look for short print cards, unless they're marked on the face, I would really honestly appreciate that. Again, being new or getting back into the baseball card world since I was 16 years old. I am now 50 years old. So therefore I don't have too much knowledge of what's going on in today's world. I don't know if I have anything good there. Brandon Lowe. So let's just go through it. And Caldwell Hall, Babe Ruth. I don't know if that's worth much. And Kobe Mayo's Future Stars card. I don't know if that's worth much either. Anthony Rizzo. And that's always good to get in there. I think I got one of these in my second video. Not worth a whole heck of a lot, but it's a good base card to have. So in regards to base cards, we'll put the Future Stars of Yamamoto to the side. So we still have 6 more packs to go. Let's get right into it. Well, that has to be something interesting. Whoa. I hope that that's something interestingly good, because, oh my goodness sakes. What was that? What was that? Burger, Fusta, Matt Vierling. I'm going to put this in the Tigers pile for a giveaway on the station that I work for, Woodward Sports. And you can find Woodward Sports on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, Twitch. That's where we do all of our program. We are not radio or TV, so there's a shout out for my business. But I'll put this Matt Vierling card for a Tigers pile. Again, I'll do that like a giveaway on our station. Jr., Taylor Estrada, Tyler Phillips, solid pitcher for Arizona. Clayton Kershaw. Anybody ever heard of him? Haha, joke. Just kidding. Ryan Hensley, Pedro Leon. Well, we're getting near that. The card that was flipped over with nothing on the back. What in the world is that? I mean, you guys probably already know. Oh, the Future Stars, Shota Imanaga. Probably not worth much, but I'm going to put it as a slight keep anyway. What the heck was that card with nothing on the bottom? Here it comes. Oh, just not. Oh. Security card, really? Best card of the day right there, the security card. If you tune in halfway through the video, you'll be like, "What the heck is that?" I'll start the video over from here at the 5-minute mark, and you'll. The security card's the best find of the day. Maybe I'll autograph that. Am I gonna get another security card? What the? Is that rare? Is that, should I sell that on my eBay store? All right, we'll put Trey Sweeney in the Tigers pile down there. Oh, very funny. All right. Yeah, the American League Boston Red Sox. Zach Nita, Seth Lugo. All excited for a security card. Very funny. Again, let me know, guys, if I miss anything, being new to the whole thing. Like, I know there's like a whole bunch of like different variations of stuff. Like these insert cards. Some of these, have values, some don't. I doubt this one does, but you never know. So I'll throw it down. Insert card, Jarren Duran. God bless, after going through the suicide thing. God bless you, Jarren Duran. I get it, man. I suffer from depression, a little bipolar as well. So I get it. Life can make it seem like life is extremely hard at times. So I totally get it, Jarren. So God bless you. Let's keep on ripping packs. I only have 3 to go after this one. Again, another video will follow this one in a day or so. I'm waiting on some more orders from Whatnot to come in so I can give somewhat of a little bit more of a lengthier video. Jorge Soler, Sandy Alcantara, Josh Young. Again, these base cards and all the other cards down here, if I do miss something, I do try to go through them after I'm done with the recording the broadcast here for you guys, just in case I might have missed anything. And again, I'll try to get better at looking for like short prints. I know that like looking on the back of cards is important. I don't know if it necessarily applies to the top Series 1 necessarily more so than some of the other Heritage packs and so on and so forth, but I am aware of that is my whole point. So I gotta learn how to recognize a lot of that stuff. Jackson, I doubt that that's worth too much there. So not too good so far here. The Shohei Ohtani Future Stars. Oh, that's great. I'll just put him with Shota Imanaga. What the hell is the Future Stars thing? But I know it doesn't really matter as much. 3 packs to go. Maybe we can find something. Maybe not. But I think I saw something glittery. I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's, probably is my imagination. Let's dance. Dun, 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 dun. You have all the right moves. Gunnar Anderson. What, second year, I think, or third year? 4th year, yeah. Ryan. Again, as you guys see it through the camera on through my phone, I'm looking at it through my phone as well, so I can, definitely, I think I have something coming up, so I can, make sure that I have, give you guys the best possible angle for stuff. This really is a lot of fun to get back into it. I think I mentioned before that I'm old school, so it's interesting to go through all these different variations, but you know what? It really is starting to get fun. So let's hang on. I think I got a few things coming up. Let's start with the Mookie Betts Future Stars. Great. And then Brooks Baldwin. I think I have a throwback underneath whatever this border is. So let's do the throwback first. We already know Brooks Baldwin. I'm just going to use him as a cover. Yeah, the Mike Trout throwback. 1990. That is cool. And now I will move Mike Trout and Brooks Baldwin to reveal Trevor Miguel in the, brown border, gold border. Help me out there, chat. Unimatch border. Is that what that is? Second year card for Trevor McGill. Again, please help me out, chat, with which one that is. It looks like a uniform match, I guess, or color match, or however that is, but definitely a brown border. Very, very cool find. Again, not as cool of a find as the security card, but a cool find nonetheless. There's the Mike Trout throwback, and thank you, Mr. Brooks Baldwin, for serving as a good curtain to unveil those cards. Okay, guys, we are just over 10 minutes into the video. Let's see if I can maybe possibly keep it under 15 unless you guys are enjoying it. But since it's not live, there is no way of finding out how you guys feel unless you comment later on in the video. And again, if I can get some more followers, then I can go live. 50 followers, I believe, is the mark that I need to be able to go live. So I do appreciate all those who have subscribed and followed so far. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll keep it. Another Future Stars. I know base card Future Stars great, but Tiger's pile. But I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything on value. All smiles, baby. Perfect weather in San Diego for a walk-off win. Another Ben Rice second year. I got a pile of that going. I guess there's a lot of those, or Ben Rice second year rookie, I think, or rookie card, whatever the heck it is. I guess there are a lot of those bases going. Cool. I think I have another brown board or something coming up. And there are the Seattle Mariners, and Tanner Houck, I guess, is now going to serve as the curtain for whatever is coming up. So Tanner Houck, appreciate you serving as the curtain here as we move on. Yordan Alvarez, Future Stars, probably not worth a lot. Sandy Alcantara, and Carlos Correa. Back to Tanner Houck. What do we have underneath Tanner Houck? It looks like I have two cards to throw back first. Let's go with that. Hey, Chipper Jones. I think I even have his 1990 card to match, so that's a neat find. Good deal, Mr. Chipper Jones. And let us see, as I throw him next to Mike Trout, let us see, as Tanner Houck the curtain reveals, Ryan Bliss in the brown border. Pretty cool rookie card. Didn't know the brown borders were numbered. I do now. This is 1675 of 2025. And now that I know that, Mr. Trevor McGill, as I try to very carefully pick you up, let's see what number you were, sir. 912 out of 2025. Two pretty good finds there, eh, folks? I think I did pretty well there on that one. Boy, I love the Seattle throwbacks. But there you go. The Metrodome throwbacks. But again, no matter which card you guys like the best, the security card was the best find of the day. Now for the last pack. Again, go back to the 5-minute mark of this video and you'll see the security card. Gotta have a laugh. All right, folks, last pack. Thanks again for joining. Another video will be coming soon. Tyler Gentry. Michael Busch. We've got Busch. And the Cup card. I think it's worth nothing. Maybe it's worth like a little bit, but they're not a lot. It's a base card. Garrett Cole. Tyler Soderstrom. Let me down in one of my hit parade parlays last week, but that's all right. He's a future star base. We will throw him with the other base of Jordan Westburg and Yoshinobu Yamamoto. And let's continue as we continue up here. Taj Bradley and the National League Reds. I do like Nick Lodolo. Again, I wish I can get a chrome or something cool for him, sir. That'd be nice. Jared Kelenic. Joey Ortiz. It looks like we are finishing with a dud, but we had a lot of fun. Jose Barrios. And there goes the Future Stars card, which is Fernando Tatis. He's not a future star. He's a star now. And Yoshida. And the final card is Drew Romo. I really appreciate you guys joining me today and whenever you're watching on YouTube for this card reveal coming up soon in the future. I only have 3 right now, but coming from Whatnot in the next video, when I get the other half of this order, will be 2024 high number Topps Heritage Baseball card reveal. Again, I got 3 so far. Next order should be coming in a couple days, so we will do that video when I receive the rest of the cards. Thanks very much for watching. I appreciate that. We got the two 2025 numbered cards, and of course our favorite, the security card. Take care. I will see you on the next video.